In this video, we're going to look at recurring decimals. If you're revising, pause the video and have a go at examples 1 to 4. So, when we wrote 5/8 as a decimal in example 8 and earlier on, it was a terminating decimal. A terminating decimal is a decimal number with a finite number of digits after the decimal point. A terminating decimal like 5.65 can be represented as the repeating decimal 5.6500000000 and so on. But when the repeating digit is 0, the number is usually labelled as terminating. You just don't write them like that. Terminating means there's no other digits that are non-zero afterwards. A recurring decimal is any number with a repeated digit or section of repeated digits after a decimal point. We show this with the dot above the start and the end of the repeated section. So in example 1, we have 1/3, and we're going to write it as a decimal. So 1 divided by 3, you might know already just from memory, would be 0.333. It keeps going forever, or 0.3 recurring. Because only the digit 3 is recurring, you put a dot on top of the 3, and that is the quicker way to write 0.3 recurring instead of writing it all out in one go. If you're going to write 4/11 as a decimal, well, you might not know that one off the top of your head, so you'd have to actually get the 4 and divide it by 11. 11 doesn't go into 4, so we put a few zeros down here. Then we carry that 4 over. 11 goes into 43 times. 3 times 11 is 33, and 7 left over. 11 goes into 76 times. 11 sixes are 66, and 4 left over. 11 goes into 43 times, and 7 left over. 11 goes into 76 times, and 4 left over. Now you would keep on going there, so you can see it goes 3, 6, 3, 6. It would keep on going 3, 6, 3, 6 if you kept on carrying it over. So if we write that in the shorter way, we put a dot on top of the 3, the first number that recurs until the last number that recurs, which is a 6. So you'd have 4/11 is the same as 0.36 recurring. Question 3. Write 0.434343 using dot notation. Well, the first number that recurs is the 4, and the last one is the 3, so you're putting a dot on top of the 4 and the 3. Question 4. Write 0.512341234 ... using dot notation. If we read that out again, what I notice is it's the 1, 2, 3, 4 that's recurring, the 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 doesn't recur, it's just sitting at the front, but it's going to go in a pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first number that recurs is the 1, and the last number that recurs is the 4. So we put a dot on top of the 1 and the 4 to indicate that would go 1, 2, 3, 4, then another 1, 2, 3, 4, and keeps going 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is it. There's a little extension there which your teacher might take you through how to convert the following recurring decimals into fractions, but you'll definitely see that at GCSE level.